two numbers are in the ratio 2:3 and their LCM is 180. What is the HCF of these numbers? So here I can consider let the two numbers be let the two numbers be, I'll consider it as like 2x and 3x. 2x and 3x. See, if the numbers are like 2x and 3x, so LCM of 2x and 3x is LCM of 2x and 3x is 2 into 3 into x. Because see, if there are the numbers like 2 into 3, otherwise take 2 into 5 and 3 into 5. 2 into 5 and 3 into 5. You'll find LCM. LCM will write as 2 into 3 into 5. Okay, because if they are common, we'll write only like one time. So in this way, we'll do the LCM. So here the LCM is 6x. LCM is 6x. So, but they told LCM is, in the question they gave LCM is 180. So 6x is 180. So x is 180 by 6. So x equals 30. X value you got it 30. Now you can get two numbers. So 2 times 30 and 3 times 30. That is 60 and 90. And directly you can say the HCF is like 30 only. But if you want, you can calculate. Because the common in both the numbers is 2 into x, 3 into x. Okay, one number, first number you consider a, second. See, in this, HCF is clearly it is x. Clearly it is x. So HCF is 30. Otherwise, you can calculate for 60 and 90. For 60, you can write as prime factors if you do 2 square into 3 into 5. And for 90, the prime factors are 2 into 3 square into 5. So here HCF is, see, out of these two, the common is like 2 power 1. Again, out of these two, 3 power 1 into 5. So clearly HCF is 2 into 3, 6, 6 5s, 30. So HCF is here 30.